And this one is a big India Today impact. We have been airing the report of how a man from Kanpur was forced to face the horror of his child dying in his own arms. Due to sheer hospital negligence, he was running from pillar to post, finding treatment for his child. He was asked to first go to the emergency ward and then to the child ward. And now, taking cognizance of this story that we have been airing on our channel, the DM of Kanpur has ordered a probe into the incident. A two-member committee has also been constituted to inquire as to what led to the child's death. The panel will also be visiting this government hospital, Lala Lajpat Rai Hospital, and would be taking the statements of all the concerned authorities. Kumar Abhishek joins us. This is, Kumar, a big impact. We have been talking about this heartbreaking story from Kanpur since the morning, and now finally the DM stepping in and, waking up to the seriousness of this particular incident.
Well, Intika, with India Today impact, no doubt about that. And the two-member committee will going to visit the hospital as well as the family to inquire the matter, and they will take a whole account from the people concerned from hospital and from the family. The two members.
Okay, we'll try and get through to Kumar Abhishek in just a bit, but just to tell you what action now has been taken after we aired the story, the pain that this father had to go through to find his son dead in his own arms as he was running from one ward to the other ward, just so that one doctor could attend to his child. The child very tragically lost his life. Now the Kanpur DM has ordered a probe. A two-member committee is going to be constituted. They are going to be visiting this hospital. It's the government hospital, Lala Lajpat Rai in Kanpur. All the statements are going to be taken of all the concerned authorities. Questions will be asked as to just why no one attended to this child who had been suffering from fever. This is a story that comes in from Kanpur, and that really reflects and highlights the systematic failure that exists in our system. This father who was forced to run with his 12-year-old child from one ward to the other, the child dying in his father's arms. This child, his name was Ansh. He had, got fever a few days back. His condition had deteriorated. His father, whose name is Sunil, had called up the ambulance, but no ambulance, in fact, arrived at his residence. And then the father had no option but to take a lift in a truck and rush his child to this government hospital, the Lala Lajpat Rai Hospital, and nobody even attended to this child because immediately the father was told to go to the emergency ward. From there, he was referred to the child ward, but by the time the father took his little boy to the child ward, the child lost his life. There was not even a stretcher to take the 12-year-old. The father kept running between wards, carrying his son, his sick son, in his arms. And by the time he reached the child ward, his son had died.
कोई सुविधा नहीं मिली, स्ट्रेचर भी नहीं मिला, हम पैदल ही लेके दौड़ते रहे जी। और वहाँ पे हमको बस दूसरे बच्चे के स्टेज बेड पे लिटाने के बाद उनको जवाब दे दिया आपका बच्चा नहीं रहा, आप ले जाइए। भाई वहाँ से मैं दौड़ते दौड़ते मरियमपुर आया, मरियमपुर में नहीं कोई मिला। इसके बाद एजेंसी गया, एजेंसी में लास्ट टाइम उनका 10 मिनट बेटा पहले आते तो आपका बच्चे बचा सकते हैं। पूरी लापरवाही शुरू से लेके आखिरी तक, कोई इलाज नहीं, कोई किसी की गलती नहीं। सब कुछ लाइन लगी थी, सब लोग भीड़ लगाए थे। एक 4 मरीज है, एक डॉक्टर है, वो भी जूनियर, कोई ही नहीं।
हमारा बच्चा जब गया तो वहाँ पर उन लोग को चेक करना चाहिए था ना, उसको देखभाल करनी चाहिए थी। ये नहीं जवाब देना चाहिए कि आप कब ले जाइए, पैदल लेके दौड़िए। कौन मरीज को लेके दौड़ता है पैदल? बच्चे को सब साथ देते हैं, साथ में आप सरकारी हो, आपको सहायता मिलती है, तो हम लोग को सहायता कोई दिया ही नहीं।